Hey moms! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by complicated breast pumps, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a manual breast pump step by step. It's one of the easiest and most budget-friendly options for pumping milk, especially when you're on the go. One of the biggest reasons I recommend a manual pump is convenience. There's no need for batteries, charging cables, or power outlets. It's lightweight, quiet, and gives you complete control over the suction level. Whether you're traveling, at work, or simply need a quick pumping session at home, a manual pump can be incredibly helpful. Let's take a closer look at it. This pump has three main parts: the flange, the handle, and the collection bottle. Once everything is assembled correctly, you're ready to begin. Before pumping, find a comfortable place to sit. Relax your shoulders and take a few deep breaths. Being comfortable can make a big difference in milk flow. Next, place the flange over your breast and make sure your nipple is centered inside the tunnel. Press the flange gently against your skin to create a secure seal. It should feel comfortable, not tight or painful. Now it's time to start pumping. Hold the bottle firmly with one hand and slowly squeeze the handle with the other. Begin with gentle, steady pumps. This helps encourage your natural letdown reflex and can make pumping more effective. For the first minute or so, use a slow rhythm. After your milk starts flowing, you can pump a little faster if that feels comfortable. Remember, every mom's body responds differently, so don't worry about matching someone else's pace. As you continue pumping, you'll notice milk collecting in the bottle. Keep going until the flow slows significantly or your breast feels softer and more comfortable. For many moms, this takes around 10 to 15 minutes per breast, though your timing may vary. When you're ready to stop, gently release the seal by slightly lifting the edge of the flange.
Serious drops in your supply or equipment that just isn't working right, raise your hand. Lactation consultants and healthcare professionals exist exactly for this reason. They can troubleshoot your specific situation and get you right back on track.
So to wrap the whole shebang up, with the right knowledge and a bit of support, pumping really truly can become a